Today is going to be a little bit different, so I will be doing something else. Besides playing this game, I'm gonna do something else. Let me just show you all real quick. As I said, it's not gonna be a normal video, because I'm gonna be just doing random stuff this video. It's just gonna be all around the place. I'm gonna pause and play random games. Yeah, just everything. First we're gonna play this game. I'm trying to figure out this Sanji Infinite combo. I think I know what it is. It's just and then you down slam into that, and then you don't do that. You're supposed to do Concaster, but still, it does all their HP if you land it. That's what I'm trying to land. Also, I have to talk about why Sanji's hitboxers. No, not even Sanji's. There's so many other characters whose hitboxers are so good. Why doesn't... I don't know why they don't do this. But that was loud. What? Wait, what? Wait. I don't know why I told me all the way over there when I was clearly focused on something. Boom! Oh, boom! Boom, 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 boom! Blitz 'em! Blitz 'em! Okay, now I'm done with this game. I'm gonna go and move on to a different one. After I do Soba Kick. Yeah, I kind of like I was on the crest. But I'm gonna pause the recording and move on to a different game. Different Roblox game, by the way. Oh! Rapper 2 is next. I'm probably gonna be playing this for the majority because I grinded level 91. Today I'm planning to prestige for the first time. Not 91, 93. So I'm gonna see if I can try to get a level 100 on camera. I can prestige on camera. Also, I'm gonna look up if you need prestige 2 to get Bankai. Because I saw you need prestige 2, but you can still fight the Bankai, so why? So what's the point of being able to get it if you can't? That's kind of stupid. Would be kind of stupid. Oh, you have to go to Soul Society? Yeah! Bah! 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 Ah! 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 Oh! 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 I act crazy for some reason. Alright, let's see, where is it? I can't do this quest yet, can I? Would you like to hunt down Soul Reapers for me? I would love to hunt down some Soul Reapers for you. Get over here! What? Oh! Oh! No, this isn't how I want to die. Apparently I'm lagging now. I feel so bad for this random guy who just was trying to... Okay, now I'm getting jumped by 2 guys. Okay, cool. Nah, I'm getting jumped by only 1. No. No. Get me out of this. Get me out of this. Okay, bisect. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh. Fine, I'll use Zangetsu. Wait, no, I don't have a copy of basic. No. Get. Come on. No. You know, I probably should just start attacking it. Okay, I can't do anything. Would love to, but I'm getting chased down by 2 people, not 1 this time. No! 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 Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Zangetsu! 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 Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, get off me, bro. You're not gonna do anything to me. Am I bugged? No, I'm not. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. You canceled my last yeah, bro. Come here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I thought he was dead. I thought he was dead. Cool. I just have to kill 1 of each. Alright, let's go. And come here, me. Why did I do so much? I've been thinking why they just decided to make Zangetsu really good. Even though this is like one of the most common Shikas you can possibly get it. Oh gosh. But the NPCs don't have the last stuff. The X move really destroys people. 200 damage though. That's crazy. The C move is the only move I think is balanced. The X and the Z move are just not balanced. If you don't agree on me with that, just give me a reason why. You don't agree why the X and the Z move aren't balanced. But give me one reason why the X and the Z move are unbalanced. Aren't, my bad. The C move isn't unbalanced. Well, I can give you a reason why the C move isn't unbalanced because what? It's already been 7 minutes? That's crazy. Okay. If not, this video might just only be free for 2. And just start a video. I don't even know. I just decided to pick up to just do something productive and sit around and do nothing. But what other? Oh yeah, I can definitely get to level 100 before this recording stops. There's one quest that gives a couple levels. It's the save the dog quest. So yeah, I might do a purple quest today as well. But as soon as you get to the Soul Society, you can go level 100. I have a lot of cash, not that much, but enough to spin full. Ooh, I want to try to get Gambaji's Shika because that'd be nice. Where is the dog quest? It's not over here. I don't know why I just turned back and forth because I was debating whether it was over here, but it's not. Is it over here? It could be. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, this is where you prestige at. Boom. 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 Still trying to look for this quest. Oh, it's over here. Found it. Every time it's done. It got me to 6th level 89 last time, so let's see what level I can get. I can just keep my CK on because I have the thing where it doesn't drain that much. Thank you, I don't have to do a bunch of climbing just to get the dog. Don't know why this dog hasn't eaten him yet, because it clearly is a hollow, and he's clearly gonna die. So, I'm waiting for it. He's dead, and he's dead, and I'm talking to a soul, because when the soul society, I can talk to— Oh, yes! Okay, now time to prestige. Because I don't— Yeah, I want to prestige. Yeah, let's go. I don't know if you get a new race when you prestige, or what happens. All I know is that when I prestige, I'm probably going to get rid of Zangetsu. I love Zangetsu, don't get me twisted, but I want to get Kenpachi's thing. I know I'm probably not going to get it. If I do, I just want something that can get a Bankai. I know Senbou Makura is pretty good as well. I've seen it. Alright, let's see. Do I just talk to him? Does he give me a choice, or do I just talk to him? Because I saw you need to be level 100s to do this. Okay. I talk to him to do prestige or something like that. Alright, let's see. I'm prestige with best fight me. Oh. Okay, cool. I can do that. Well, I hope this food isn't completely garbage. Oh my gosh, my recording is about to go on in a few minutes. I might have to cut a little bit of the recording and cut it to live when I beat the series. Oh wow! Okay, let's pull him. Got him. Oh gosh. Okay. That caught me off guard a bit. And why would I use that? I forgot. I thought it was a different move. I'm probably just gonna pause on Gatsu. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if you could just transform without sending a jet. I forgot. Mobile it's pretty easy because all the keys are right in front of you, but it's harder to fight on mobile. Boom! 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 I thought this would be a tank, like an act. I thought he would take a while to go. No, but it's not taking that long to take him out. Boom. He does an okay amount of damage. He doesn't even do that much damage either. It's not like, oh, he's a glass cannon, does immense amount of damage. He's just not tanky or not doing a lot of damage. Oh gosh. Getsuga burst! Okay, Getsuga burst! Select buff, increase level 4 by 5% damage increase. Successfully prestiged. I want that 5% damage increase because that's the best. Well, anyway, I don't know if you keep your levels when you prestige. I don't want 5 extra levels. I'm pretty sure I start off as level 1 again. I am level 1, right? Yep, level 1 prestige 1. No flash steps, nothing. Oh, my cash resets too. What she got? What? No, what did I get in general? I don't know if I'm a hollow, a soul reaper, or what. But